When you look for the best electric egg cooker, everything seems the same. Same features, same claims, and honestly, it gets confusing. But to find out which one really delivers, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: Dash Rapid Egg Cooker Black. First up is the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker in black, priced at just $19.99. What caught my attention? It's a bestseller with over 136,000 reviews, which says a lot about its popularity. If you want perfectly cooked eggs without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. This cooker can handle up to 7 eggs at once, and it's not just for boiling. You can poach, steam, or even make individual omelets, all in mere minutes. The built-in thermal sensor ensures your eggs come out just right every single time. Plus, its compact design means it won't take up much space in your kitchen. And if you hate cleaning, you'll appreciate that the non-electric parts are dishwasher safe. Now, I should mention that some users reported that the egg cooker can be a bit noisy when it's working. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker. If you're in a busy kitchen or don't mind a little sound, it shouldn't bother you too much. This is perfect for you if you're someone who loves eggs but hates the fuss of boiling them traditionally. But if you're looking for something that cooks more than just eggs, you might want to keep searching. Alright, if that noise factor concerns you, the next product offers a quieter cooking experience. Product number 2: Dash Rapid Egg Cooker Aqua. Next, let's look at the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker in Aqua, also priced at $19.99. Just like its black counterpart, this model has received a ton of love with the same impressive 4.6-star rating and over 136,000 reviews. If you want a stylish option without compromising on performance, this is worth considering. This cooker does everything the black model does, holding 7 eggs and offering multiple cooking options including poached and scrambled eggs. What stands out is the precision thermal sensor, which takes the guesswork out of getting your eggs just the way you want them. The compact design is perfect for small kitchens, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. However, some users pointed out that the measuring cup can be a bit flimsy. But honestly, if you're careful, it shouldn't be a major issue. If you're the kind of person who enjoys the aesthetics of your kitchen gadgets, this egg cooker could be a perfect match. This is great for you if you appreciate a pop of color in your kitchen and want reliable egg cooking. But if you're more into heavy-duty appliances, you may want to look elsewhere. Now, if you're after something a bit more versatile, the next option is really worth checking out. Product number 3: Dash Rapid Egg Cooker Cream. Now let's chat about the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker in cream, and it's the most affordable of the three at $16.99. It's still a bestseller with that same 4.6-star rating from over 136,000 users. If you're on a budget but want quality, this is definitely one to consider. You can easily make hard-boiled, soft-boiled, or poached eggs, and cleanup is easy since the non-electric parts are dishwasher safe. The compact design keeps your kitchen clutter-free, which is a major plus. But I noticed some complaints about the eggs not always being easy to peel. Now here's the thing that can vary depending on how fresh your eggs are. If you're used to dealing with eggs, you'll probably figure it out. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features. But if you're looking for something that offers additional cooking functions, you might want to check out the next one. Speaking of versatility, the next product on the list takes things up a notch. Product number 4: Elite Gourmet EGC 724SS. Now we have the Elite Gourmet EGC 724SS priced at $19.99. This stainless steel model has a solid 4.5-star rating and over 14,500 reviews. If you're looking for a more premium feel, this could be a great choice. This egg cooker can handle 7 eggs and features easy-to-use settings for soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs. Plus, it doubles as an egg poacher and veggie steamer. It's perfect for those who want a bit more versatility in the kitchen. However, some users reported the auto shut-off feature can sometimes be a bit too sensitive, shutting off before the eggs are fully cooked. Here's the thing, if you monitor your cooking, it shouldn't be a major problem. This is ideal for you if you want an all-in-one cooker that can do more than just boil eggs. But if you only need something for boiling, you might find it more than you need. Now, if you're after a budget option that doesn't skimp on functionality, the next choice is a solid pick. Product number 5, Elite Gourmet EGCB. Finally, we have the Elite Gourmet EGC 115B, which is the most affordable option here at just $11.99. With a rating of 4.5 stars from over 14,500 reviews, this one's great for those on a tight budget. If you want to save some cash without sacrificing quality, this is a fantastic choice. This cooker also holds up to 7 eggs and offers the same ease of use as the others. Just fill the measuring cup, switch it on, and within minutes you'll have perfectly boiled eggs. The compact design means it fits easily in any kitchen, and the removable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Some users did mention that it takes slightly longer than other models. I'll be real with you, if you're in a hurry, that could be a bit frustrating. But if you don't mind waiting a few extra minutes, it's a great deal. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable egg cooker without breaking the bank. But if you need speed and efficiency, you might want to invest a bit more for the other options. So, that wraps up our list of the top electric egg cookers. To quickly recap, we looked at the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker in black, aqua, and cream, all great options that cater to different tastes and preferences. Then we explored the Elite Gourmet models that offer versatility and budget-friendly choices. Each has its strengths, so it really depends on what you need. Whether you want style, budget, or functionality, there's an egg cooker here for you.